wish there was a Cherry Blossom Festival. I also wish the event lasted longer. Yeah. Like, why was it so much shorter than the
What
and then when we come down here,
we have is the worst thing. White girls.
oh, long item.
But something cool is coming over there that I can't even see because the stupid ass sun. That's a motherfucking boat, motherfucker. See, boats are cool. Boats are awesome and shit. But then, oh shit, then you got an orange over there just chilling for some reason. Like what? Who the fuck put an orange right there? Who put an orange right motherfucking there? There's that motherfucking boat. But with motherfucking white girls in the background, polluting the river. That's the real pollution of the Hudson River right there, white girls. Not that boat. Not that sugar factory over there. Not all those people over there chilling. Not the Hudson River itself, but that boat over there.